How to turn on or turn off double click side button to open Wallet and Apple Pay on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, scroll down. Then in here, tap on double click side button. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. When you turn it on, you can quickly press on the side button here. So double click on the side button to open Wallet and Apple Pay. So even on the lock screen, you can quickly double press or double click on the side button to immediately open up your wallet. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.